Hey friends, if you wish to install the Avast Secure Browser in Windows, then please watch this video. Now, a lot of users are trying to install the Avast Secure Browser from its website, but the problem is that there are a lot of third-party websites from which you should not install. So the safest way is to simply search for the Microsoft Store and open the Microsoft Store and then search for Avast Browser and then go to Avast Secure Browser and then click on install. Okay, now this will need a while to install, though it's not a very heavy app. And once it is installed, you can open it. So why are we using the Avast Secure Browser? First of all, just like Opera, it has an inbuilt VPN. People say that it's faster than Chrome, though there are differing opinions on this. And this is a private browser, so it does not share your information with third-party sources like Google Chrome does, and so does Microsoft Edge. So this is why it is very, very secure. Now, once it is installed, we will be able to open it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.